What's up, guys? We are seeing a lot of green today. Yeah, guys, we are looking very bullish now. Bitcoin is back above $100,000, folks. Yes, up over 100,000. This is amazing. Wow. Bitcoin actually hit over 101,000. We're trading at 107 or 100,700 right now. Ethereum's back over $2,000. And what's really sad, guys, I actually lost a lot of money in Ethereum. I was buying in. I was actually holding for over a year and a half. And I didn't take profits at 4K. I was really waiting for $5,000. That was my exit plan to get out. And I put everything I had in it. I had literally my life savings in a 2x leverage Ethereum. And it was a lot of money, 6 figures, folks. And it went, instead of to 5,000, it went to $1,500. And I lost a majority of that money. It's gone. And if Ethereum hits 5K this year, I'm gonna be so freaking sad. I'll be literally losing my mind, folks. Like I don't even know how I'm gonna be able to recover from that. And it might happen, guys. It could happen. I can't believe that that the tariffs. It's really sad that it went down that much. I mean, I should have known. I probably shouldn't have put so much money into it, knowing how volatile crypto is. But out of all the altcoins, I thought Ethereum was one, and I know I was just felt it that Ethereum was gonna hit 5K, and it didn't. And lessons were learned, and I lost a big chunk of money there, but still holding on to Bitcoin, still doing my trading. In fact, I'm going to be doing some leverage trading today, folks. I'm going to be presenting BingX. Yes, BingX crypto exchange. It's one of the top crypto exchanges out there. We'll be doing some leverage trading here on their platform. Be making a video as well. So, a lot to look forward to, folks. A lot to look forward to. Let's get out of there. Also gonna be talking about Tempest AI. This stock has been going up, folks. Yes, it's been going up. And we're gonna be trading here today. Kind of FOMO'd here at the top. I'm down a little bit. It broke this. The conversions here, I was looking for a breakout to 65 and I missed it. Now it's at 63.60, but I'm going to hang it on because I'm pretty bullish on this long term. This hit $89 at all-time high. I'm pretty sure it's going to go there again. So, and that was just back in February, folks. Yeah. And that was during the tariffs. The tariffs started around that time too. So, interesting. So yeah, we're going to see how this goes, folks. Nancy Pelosi is also invested in Tempest AI. Of course, she probably bought down here. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes, folks. We're going to see how it goes. Welcome, guys. Thank you guys all for tuning in. So yeah, Pengu, guys. I made a video on Pengu not too long ago, about a few months ago. That thing's been rallying up. I think out of all of the major memes, Pudgy Penguins is the one to look at right now because that one has not done a full run yet. It's up 253% this month. I think that's your next 10x, guys. So you might want to be looking at that. Solana is definitely, I think Solana is the new king, folks. After what Ethereum did to me, I am a Solana maxi now. I've gone to Solana. So, oh, let me see if I can fix my lighting here. My lighting's off a little bit. There we go. So yeah, Solana is where it's at, and it's faster and cheaper. I mean, we do have the Ethereum upgrade coming up, the Pectra launch. which is definitely exciting. Definitely, I think Ethereum's going to hit 2,500 again for sure. Will it go back to 4,000 or 5,000? I don't know. I really don't think. I think crypto's gotten more competitive now. Solana, ADA, XRP. I mean, these are other blockchains that are trying to take that #2 spot. And honestly, Solana's a lot more. It's more user friendly. It's easier. It's faster. I mean, it is centralized, but at the end of the day, I guess people just don't care that much. Ultrasound money, look to see supply data currently is not available because of the upgrading of the Pectra hard fork. So it's going to be interesting to see how this upgrade is going to change Ethereum, if it's going to make it better, faster, cheaper. We'll see how it works. When Ethereum did its last upgrade back in 2022, ETH did run a little bit. So we could see that play out again, guys. Could see another play out of that. But remember, guys, be safe. Do your due diligence. No financial advice here. I am just a crazy degen. As you guys see, I lost a lot of money trading this stuff. I've also made a lot of money. So I make a lot and I lose a lot. So I'm a degen, okay? It's like gambling at a casino. Yeah. See, I'm gambling right now. Look at this. Down $147. I was concerned. I was really hoping this was going to break out, which it probably will again. Come on, guys. Oh, my lordy. This thing is volatile, guys, so be safe. You guys are going to be getting Tempest AI. Yeah, I trade stocks and cryptos and memes, folks. So what's the word on it today? It looks like Bitcoin's about to break out. I'm going to enter along here, folks. Let me record this. All right, getting ready to enter along here on BingX. We're going to go ahead and put in my entry. Let's send it, folks. Bitcoin is over 100K. All right, guys, I am on BingX.com and super duper excited to talk about BingX. They are one of the largest crypto exchanges out there, guys, and we're going to be talking about futures trading, guys. They got futures offers here on the platform. Yeah, we're talking about top 5 crypto derivatives platform for people to use. You guys could earn up to 6,000 USDT. In fact, you guys could use my referral link down in the description. Get yourself signed up. And yeah, they actually have multiple options for futures. They got perpetual futures, they got standard futures, copy trading, and bot trading. Yes, you guys could take advantage of all of these opportunities. And yeah, diversified future products, zero slippage guarantee. That's what I like to hear, folks. Zero slippage. Now there is some fees though, which you guys will be find out more in this video, because I'm going to be doing some trading here live. As you guys see, I just opened up a trade here. I'm 50x long here, guys. My estimated liquidity is 80K, which is good. So I'm going to hold on to this one for a little bit. Probably keep this one open. I opened at 100,895. It's at 863. Well, now it's 859. What? That's the spread. Should have waited to see confirmation here, but I'm pretty bullish today. I think we could see a break above back to 101. That's what I'm looking for. And dang, there it goes. I should have entered a short, right? But yeah, we're going to be talking about it here in this video. All of the great trading opportunities. So you guys are into crypto. If you're into trading, leverage trading is an opportunity for you, folks, because you don't have to, like I said, I only put in $100. Like I only put $100 of my own money, and I'm getting buying power because it's 50x. I'm doing 50x leverage. It's giving me 50 times that amount, folks. So it's like investing with like $5,000. So I was able to get like 0.0483 BTC. As you see, look at that. I'm now in profit. I'm 2% profit, $2. Like I said, I only put in $100. So if I cash this out, I'll have 102. Now there is fees, guys. It is a couple dollars for fees, or it's a little small percentage. If it was percentage-wise, it looks like it's about 2.4% because I put in 100. So kind of factor in those fees before you close, guys. So like if I close this, I'm probably going to break even or be down a little bit. So I got to wait for this to really come up. I'm going to wait for at least 10 plus, $20 plus, and then check out. So, but it looks like we're seeing bullish momentum here, folks. Could we see Bitcoin break out? It's a possibility. But guys, BingX offers a lot of other cryptos to trade as well on derivatives. Yeah, think about putting in a huge leverage trade on Fartcoin, guys. Look at this. I could do up to 75x on Fartcoin, which I'm about to do. I'm about to open up. Let's do 30x. I'm going to do a 30x on Fartcoin because I feel like Fartcoin's about to go up, especially now that Bitcoin's going up. So let's go ahead and enter in 100 there. Going to open long. And we're waiting for this breakout. Let's see how Fartcoin does with the 30x. I was able to get 2,538 Fartcoin, about $3,000 worth, with just $100 USDT, folks. That's it. Yeah, guys. So check it out, folks. Get in on the action. Yeah, if you guys are finding this video fun, entertainment, and informative, smash that like button. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Dapp Center, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so that way you get notified every time that I go live and when I post new videos. Well, guys, it is near here. Remember, guys, be safe, gamble, trade responsibly. And let me know how you guys did down in the comments. If you guys are bullish on crypto, if you guys are going to be doing your leverage trade here on BingX, make sure to use my referral link. Get yourself signed up. Take an opportunity on one of the top 5 crypto derivative exchange platforms. And yeah, super excited, folks. So let me know what you guys think down below. And stay tuned for more. It's Nero here at Dapp Center saying so long and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios. All right, guys. Yeah, here we go. Can we see them? Look, they're both green now. Yeah, buddy, Fartcoin's up 10%. Can we see a breakout on Fartcoin? This could be it, folks. Let's see it. Let's see, Tempest. Tempest is back up. Okay, we're back to above $64. Now I'm only down 27 bucks. Man, I got a lot of value in this. I'm really bullish on Tempest, though. I think we're going to see a breakout. I want to see above $65, $66 before I exit. So that's the goal here, folks. Let's get it going. Come on. Woo! Pump it up. There it is, guys. Look at Fartcoin now up 12%, guys. 12%. Let's freaking go. You guys could subscribe, guys. I'm live on YouTube and Twitch. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, thank you guys all for tuning in. What's up, chat? Appreciate you guys all being here. Thanks for the support, guys. You guys should join my community at Telegram at Dapp Center. Thank you guys. Yeah, that's my official Telegram. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Oh, we got a little we're up 64 likes on YouTube with 400 watching. Wow, wait, haven't had 400 watching in a while. Must be because Bitcoin is pumping, guys. My leverage coins are pumping. Go, 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 go. So yeah, long. It's at 13. Ooh, they're both above 10% now. Once they get like 20%, I'm probably gonna get out. Probably should have got out there. Now they're going down. Can we see it break out? Looks like it wants to. Dang. It's only 11:17. Hopefully we see another breakout. Hey, at least I'm up on my Tempest stock. Here we go. Stay green. Send it higher. Can we see, let's take a look, Bitcoin. Can get Bitcoin go over 101,000. I can't believe it's at over 100,000 already. This quick, folks. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, make sure to smash the like, give us a thumbs up. We are live on YouTube and Twitch. You guys can join Moch, watch me on both. Find me on YouTube, find me on Twitch. Just make sure to subscribe, guys. Just subscribe, turn on those notifications, and join my Telegram group. So, yeah. Let's freaking go, folks. There it goes, going back up. Hodl strong. Can we break the ice? There, Bitcoin's back over 101. This is getting juicy, folks. What a day. Not gonna lie, I'm regretting a lot right now. I really wish I would have sold that Ethereum back in December when it was at 4K. Saved it until I bought the bottom here. I would be super rich, guys. I'd be very wealthy. Okay, we got this going up. Tempest is going up. Bitcoin is going up. I think I'm gonna close my Bitcoin and just focus on my Fartcoin trade now. Actually, or should I leave them both open? It looks like Bitcoin wants to go higher. Yeah, keeping it open, keeping it real. I should have probably sold my Fartcoin when it was up 13%, because that's a lot more volatile and more risky. But my liquidity is really low. That's what I like about BingX. When you go into USDM perpetual futures, it's the liquidity, estimated liquidity, it's got more liquidity now. So to get liquidated, it takes a lot. It's got to go pretty low to get liquidated. So it's a little more less risky. Risk percentage 4.9%. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Yep, we got airdrops going on. I got airdrop groups. So if you guys want to earn rewards just by showing up, interacting, you guys can join. Little airdrop group. Oh, things going back down. What's the news now? News. UK and US agree trade deal. So there's some bullishness there. Markets are bullish. India and Pakistan armies and nuclear arsenals compare each. I mean, there is some things to worry about as well. Always, there seems to be always things worried about, but the market don't care long term. It tends to just go up. Yep, see, should have exit. Now we gotta wait and see what it does here. Fartcoin's about hit my my stop loss. I don't want to be down more than 5 or 10%. What's going on with Fartcoin? Why is it going down? Can I add more? Let me see if I can add support is trading futures across multiple margin assets. Yeah, single. So let me see if I can add to Fartcoin. Can I add another up and long? Yeah, there I just added more. Technically, guys, it's dangerous to do that. And it's kind of like a martingale strategy, but it's really risky to do that, especially if it just continues to go down. It doesn't necessarily always work. Now it's at 1, especially with 30x leverage. Now my estimated liquidity is 97 cents. Yeah, it's going down. Come on, I want to see a breakout. Yep, it's pulling back. Time to close it. Didn't like where that was going, folks. So yeah, there you guys have it, folks. Leverage trading. Let me see if I can find what is really pumping right now. Moodang. Wow, Moodang's up 68%. TAI. Brett's up. I've been making some videos on Brett. Should I enter a short? Could only do 20x. Let me try doing BTC. I wish I was able to see more stuff. I want to see the RSI. I can't. It's not showing that here on this. Standard. Oh, I kind of like standard. Train view is like way too zoomed out. There we go. There, I can probably trade better now. Key to this is patience, folks. In fact, I'm going to enter in. Let's try 125. Yeah, 125x leverage. This is why I am insane, folks. I just need this to stay above this line here, folks. All right. We're going to try it. Long or short. I think we're going long. Let's go. Did it go? Open long. Dang, I missed it. What did I get in at? 814? That's not bad. My estimated liquidity is 92K on 125x leverage. Dude, I got 0.11 BTC. This is like $11,759. I'm up 5% already. I want to see it at least try to reach back to 101. That costed me almost $6 though, because you're getting your fees are based off of your actual position value, not how much money in USDT you put in. So that's something to think about. I do like that I don't get liquidated until 92,000. That's, I mean, this is worth keeping open maybe for a minute. Especially when you're only risking $100, that's not bad at all. So, great opportunities here, folks. I don't know, folks. Looks like it wants to go back down, to be honest. Don't do it. Don't do it. Got 3 new subs. Thanks for the subscriptions on Twitch. Appreciate that. Thank you, guys. We've got 2 new subs on YouTube. Wow. Thanks. Pump it up. Let's go. Yeah, we got Bitcoin back over 100K. Oh, there it drops. That's what I was afraid of. Maybe we see another rally this afternoon. Oh, looks like we got a little bounce there. I'm still technically green. I don't know, guys. We'll see. Now I'm up 4%. I mean, it's still that we got a trend line starting to form here. Bull flag. We got bull flag forming. Go up. Yes, that's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm talking about. Let's freaking go. Send it on up. Oh. What a day. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, it was 2 stocks that went in today that just did absolutely terrible, and I fucked up my trades so bad. Excuse my language. And sometimes when you're having bad days trading, man, you just got to take a break, walk away. And try not to revenge trade. Even though I've fallen down that road, I've gone down that trap. But if you could avoid it as much as possible, it's the way to go. Yeah, I feel like I'm revenge trading right now. I'm going to get out of the temp while I'm still in the green there. Really, only need, dude, all I need is make a 10% and back where I'm at. So yeah, this is going down. I probably should enter a short now. There's a mech, I think it was mech C. You can actually flip your position like on a dime. Patience is the key. Let me see if I can add more here. Open long. There. I don't know what I got in at, but it just bounced. Might see another bounce here. We'll see. Now my estimated liquidity is now 97K. So, wow, if you put a small amount of USDT, you guys got some opportunities here, folks. See if we could, looks like it got rejected over 101K. Let's see if we can get it back above it, man. Let's go, Bulls. Need the Bulls out. My goal is to get to like 20%, 15, 20%. I'll be happy. There, I'm already at 8%. Come on. All right, getting close. Almost there. Come on, 15. Getting closer. Come on. Can we go higher? Or is it going to get rejected? There it goes. There we go. 15. Closed it out. Bam. There, I did make some profit there. Now I'm back at 992. When 200K, boss? Oh man, it looks like it wants to happen this year, maybe. Or next bull cycle. If it's not this bull cycle, it's definitely going to happen next bull cycle. What I wish I would have done was open a 125x leverage trade at like 75K. Looks like it's breaking out again. I also gotta make my video on Tempest, so I'll be doing that here soon. Okay, it looks like this could be a good short entry. Let me see if we could do a short here. Wait for... I don't know, that line might have already been crossed. It might actually be long. If 101 breaks again, guys, it's probably gonna send, but oh, there it goes. No, it's bullish, I think. I think we're going up. Yep, there it goes. Looks like it wants to go higher, folks. Damn, should have kept that open, huh? I could enter again, see if I could get on a momentum trade, because technically we did get confirmation there that it could go higher. Oh, see if we get back. Let's see if we get under 101 one more time. I don't know if it's gonna go under 101 though. Let's see. Got up so early today. I was so anxious to start trading. Wow. This is crazy, folks. Unbelievable how volatile the markets have been this year. A lot of people got wrecked, shaken out, sidelined. Myself included, got wrecked by ETH. Let's see what ETH's doing now. Maybe I should start, now that things continue to go up, maybe I should get into something else. What the heck? ETH USDT 2050. I don't know, man. I like Solana now, to be honest. A little more bullish on Solana. I can do 100x on Solana. Let's try this. I want to see if I get up over 1,000. Wait for an entry here. I don't know, sometimes these cryptos don't move though, like Bitcoin does. Ooh, that went from 160, 19 to 23. Like that. Look like if we could see a continuation here, that would be fabulous. I think we are. I'm going to go ahead and enter. Let's see if we can continue this continuation momentum going up. I got 59 SOL with just 100 USDT, folks. It just dropped. 160.12. My liquidity price is 144. Of course, the more money you put in, your liquidity margin goes down. Looks like I should have waited. It's a fight between the bulls and the bears. And there it goes. Wow, I just watched my balance went from 882 to 881. Why did it do? Oh, now what the hell? That is weird. Well, I guess I'm gonna wait for. Well, I guess we're gonna have to wait now because that was a bad entry. I'm gonna have to wait to add more. Oh, now it's bouncing back. Now we're in the green. If it hit 161, we're gonna be looking pretty good here. Well, I'm gonna leave it open. See what we can get out of it. Great stream. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys all for joining. If you guys are enjoying this content like this, make sure to subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Open short, bro. I don't know. It's the momentum's going up. I think we're still bullish. But you might be right. You might be right. You never know. Use those indicators. I mean, you could say this line was broken. There was a line that was broken here. But then again, you also got a line that just broke here. So you gotta zoom out even more. Yeah, you gotta draw multiple lines. Well, I don't care to draw lines all in the charts and stuff. I can visualize it usually. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my Tempest video. I'll be posting this on my other channel, Degen Lifer. Alright, guys. I got Tempest AI. Yes, that is ticker TEM. Welcome to Degen Lifer channel here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys find these videos fun, informative, and entertaining. Now, I am no financial advisor, guys. I am just crazy Degen buffoon on the internet. But my call pick today, we've got Tempest AI TEM. This thing is up 10% on the day at the time of making this video on May 8th. It's up 20% for the week. It's up 69% for the month, guys. It's down actually 7% in the last 3 months. Up 90% for the year. And if we zoom out, guys, we've seen this gone all the way up to $89. And I think this has potential to go even higher, folks. Talk about AI and healthcare mixed together. Engage in bringing artificial intelligence and machine learning to healthcare. It focuses on building platforms for oncology, neuropsychiatry, cardiology, infectious disease, and radiology. Market cap is over $10 billion, folks. A multi-billion-dollar company, folks. And more about it, guys. You guys can actually visit their website, tempest.com. AI-enabled precision medicine. So, yeah, very innovative. This is what has been a lot of trending going on with artificial intelligence and AI. AI is the future. It's kind of scary to think about it. Nancy Pelosi likes Tempest AI. She invested in it. So there you go. Congress are getting involved in Tempest AI. I believe we also got Kathy Wood back Tempest AI saying pharma contracts solid despite biotech funding challenges and tariff pressures. So they're basically saying, guys, this is a bullish stock. They love this stock. Tempest AI raises revenue guidance to $1.25 billion for 2025, supported by a new $200 million from AstraZeneca deal. So they're getting more contracts, they're getting more deals, generating even more revenue, over $1 billion in revenue. If we look at some of these stocks, guys, like Palantir, Palantir is worth over $300 billion in market cap, but they only generate $1 billion in revenue. that puts things in perspective, folks. Is Tempest undervalued? I mean, if it's generating $1 billion in revenue, we split that in 4 quarters, 250. I mean, could it go higher? I think it could, guys. Definitely could, especially when it is trending and the markets are getting hot. So, but remember, guys, be safe out there. Do your due diligence. Trade and gamble responsibly. No financial advice here whatsoever on this channel. Now, if you find this video fun, entertaining, informative, smash the like button, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more, guys. I will be posting more and more videos and more stocks picks like this. So, adios, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. All right. Think India is strong than Pakistan because India had the most population people. That is true. India is more populated, but who would China back? Would China back India, or would they back Pakistan? Because you have that border that with Pakistan, India, and China in that region, and it's kind of disputed. I think the region's disputed on who owns actually the land. So what would China do? Would China back India, or would they back Pakistan? I already know the United States will probably back India. But I'm curious to know what you guys think. If China would back Pakistan, or they would back India. Let me hear your guys' thoughts. Would China back India, or would back Pakistan? What? Because you have that BRICS, you have the China and India alliance economically, but they don't have the, but they also have a history as well. So I don't think we're going to go that much higher. Maybe not. So you guys are saying I should take my profits and run. Oh, I think that's my balance is showing what it would be if I close this trade out. I bet you that's what it is. Of course, I don't know if it's calculating the fees though. We're gonna find out. We'll find out. I want to get this back over 1K. Come on, Solana, go up. What's the? Let's take a look here. Futures overview. No, I'm already on that. Tempest, of course, is pumping. I had a feeling today was going to be a weird day for me. I knew it was going to be bullish, but I knew I was going to suck at trading for some reason. And it's showing here, yep. At least up a little bit there. It's because I'm streaming. Whenever I stream live, I always do bad trading. Wow, Bitcoin's back over 101. So why is Solana not going up? That's weird. Guess I should have just went long on Bitcoin instead. Solana should go up too. I'm gonna go ahead and enter long here on Solana. Again, added more. Now my estimated liquidity is 152. I'm not gonna add any more now. My average is 160.12. I have 118 Solana, 18K value. Dude, I don't get it. Why is Solana dumping when Bitcoin's pumping? That's just wild to me. See, that's what I should have just stayed in Bitcoin. Like, that's just stupid. I hate altcoins. I hate altcoins now because Bitcoin does well and the altcoins suck. Crypto. That's crypto. Unbelievable. I guess we gotta be patient, right? Checking my trades here. Oh man. One stock went up 500% in the last 2 days, and I got in. I did make like $1,000 on it, but I should have made a lot more. Should have. I feel like I'm missing out on opportunities because I'm afraid to put the money in when it's time to put the money in, and then when I do put it in, it's too late, and it starts going down, and I panic and I sell. That's the problem I'm having right now. Is just execution and patience. So, but I'm trying to get better here. All right, here we go. HIMS is going back up. See, and then I FOMO. I start FOMOing when I see the markets going up, and then I see, like, why is Bitcoin going up? Solana should be going up. So I go all in on Solana, and then Solana dumps. And I'm like, then I get scared. Right? That seems to be how it goes. My risk is 10%. That's wild. I feel like Solana should be running up again. I guess if Bitcoin... If Bitcoin goes even higher, I guess I should be entering in both, right? No, Solana's gonna pump, dude. Yeah, I can't believe Solana is doing this bad when Bitcoin is 101 too. What the dealio? What's up? What's your Discord link? Link will be in the description. But I'm more active, way more active on Telegram. So if you have a Telegram, go on Telegram. I don't get it, folks. Why is this going down? What's going up, man? SUI. This seems to be following Bitcoin more. I open, do 50x on this, SUI. That looks bullish too. I don't get what the heck is going on with Solana today. Now I'm down $30. Let me see. Now I'm going to double up again. Yeah, I think Bitcoin be the indicator that's going to go higher, but people are short in Solana, going long on Bitcoin. Well, I know I'm not going to get liquidated, so there's that. See if we get a breakout here. $159. Let me see if I could. Problem is entering in these amounts. Those fees add up. Like your entry's gotta be perfect, otherwise you get eaten up on those fees. In fact, I'm gonna do it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Now my estimated liquidity price is 156.74. See, once you start adding up, margin gets real small on 125x, 100x. Bitcoin's at 101, 176. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of regretting this now. I'm just gonna close and get out. Yeah. See, I trade badly when I'm streaming, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just kidding. Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for today's live stream. Appreciate you guys all for joining in. Oh, good thing I closed. Look at that, it went down. Now it went down to 71. Now it's down to 159.60. Oh my goodness. See? That's when you guys gotta know when to fold. I should have went short. So, well, thank you guys all for joining in. Stay tuned for more. I'll be going live again. We go live twice a month, bi-weekly. So yeah, May 22nd will be my next live stream, guys. So we'll be looking forward to that. So wow, look at that. Dumping. All right, guys. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Take care now. Stay safe. Adios. Bye-bye.